With the project goal, deliverables, and success criteria in place, it's time to start working on a scope statement, a document that clearly delineates what is included in the project and, just as important, what is not included. For a small project with straightforward deliverables, the scope statement might be as simple as the list of deliverables and success criteria. The scope statement is often included in a legal agreement if the project involves one person or company hiring another. You might also hear the scope statement called a statement of work. As an example, here's the scope for relocation. The scope statement identifies the work and deliverables, such as designing the space, negotiating contracts, completing construction, and moving. Notice that it also includes activities that are out of scope. The out of scope section identifies work or deliverables that are not the responsibility of the project team or the vendor you're hiring. For example, with the relocation, the tasks for changing the business address are out of scope. A clear scope statement helps prevent a project from oozing beyond its boundaries. This all-too-common problem is called scope creep. The customer, as well as people on the project team, might come up with great ideas that expand beyond the budget and end date. By communicating the scope statement with everyone on the team, you help keep focus on what needs to be done and discourage people from doing more than is required. If someone wants to add something to the project, you can use the scope statement to decide whether the addition makes sense. If you run into trouble with the budget, schedule, or availability of resources, one option is to reduce the project scope. Throughout the rest of this course, you'll see how the project scope can help you keep your project on track.